Hamamelis Virginica from Allen's keynotes, witch hazel family Hamamelis. The shrub flowers from September to November when the leaves are falling. The seeds mature the following summer. It is adapted to venous hemorrhage from every orifice of the body: nose, lungs, bowels, uterus, bladder. Venous congestion passive of skin and mucous membranes, phlebitis, varicose veins, ulcers, varicose with stinging, pricking pain, hemorrhoids. Patients subject to varicose veins taking cold easily from every exposure, especially in warm, moist air. Is the aconite of the venous capillary system. Bruised soreness of affected parts, rheumatism, articular and muscular. Wounds, incised, lacerated, contused, injuries from falls, checks hemorrhage, removes pain and soreness. Chronic effects of mechanical injuries. Traumatic conjunctivitis, suggellations or extravasations into chambers of eye from severe coughing, intense soreness. Nosebleed, flow passive, long lasting, blood non-coagulable, profuse. Headache, idiopathic, traumatic, vicarious of childhood. Hemorrhage, profuse, dark, grumous from ulceration of bowels. Uterine, active or passive. After a fall or rough riding, vicarious menstruation, no mental anxiety. Hemoptysis, tickling cough with taste of blood or sulfur, venous without effort or coughing, sometimes monthly for years. Profuse discharges which stimulate a hemorrhage and form a drain upon system as severe as loss of blood. Hemorrhoids, bleeding profusely with burning soreness, fullness, heaviness as if back would break, urging to stool, bluish color, anus feels sore and raw, menses, flow dark and profuse, with soreness in abdomen after a blow on ovary or a fall, all suffering aggravate at menstrual period. Uterine hemorrhage, active or passive, from jolting while riding over rough roads, bearing down pain in back. After hemorrhage from piles, prostration out of all proportion to amount of blood lost. Bad effects from loss of blood. Relations: complementary ferrum in hemorrhages and the hemorrhagic diathesis. Compare arnica calendula for traumatic and to hasten absorption of intraocular hemorrhage. Hamamelis virginica from Homeopathic Materia Medica. Witch hazel. Venous congestion, hemorrhages, varicose veins and hemorrhoids with bruised soreness of affected parts seem to be the special sphere of this remedy. Acts upon the coats of the veins, causing relaxation with consequent engorgement. Passive venous hemorrhages from any part. Great value in open, painful wounds with weakness from loss of blood. After operations, supersedes the use of morphia. Head. Wants the respect due to me shown. Feeling as of a bolt from temple to temple. Fullness followed by epistaxis. Numbness over frontal bone. Eyes, painful weakness, sore pain in eyes, bloodshot appearance, inflamed vessels greatly injected, hastens absorption of intraocular hemorrhage, eyes feel forced out. Nose, bleeding from nose profuse, flow passive, non-coagulable with tightness in bridge of nose, bad odor from nose. Throat, mucous membrane distended and bluish, varicosis of throat. Stomach, tongue feels burnt, thirst, blisters on side, hematemesis of black blood, throbbing and pain in stomach. Stool, anus feels sore and raw, hemorrhoids, bleeding profusely with soreness, dysentery, pulsation in rectum. Urine, hematuria with increased desire. Female, ovarian congestion and neuralgia, feel very sore, vicarious menstruation. Uterine hemorrhage, bearing down pain in back. Menses dark, profuse with soreness in abdomen. Metrorrhagia occurring midway between menstrual periods. Intermenstrual pain. Vagina very tender, profuse leukorrhea, vulva itches, milk leak, hemorrhoids, and sore nipples after confinement. Metrorrhagia, passive flu, vaginismus, ovaritis, soreness over whole abdomen, phlegmasia alba. Male, pain in spermatic cord running into testis, varicocele, pain in testicles, orchitis, testicles enlarged, hot and painful, epididymitis. Respiratory, hemoptysis, tickling cough, chest feels sore and constricted. Back, sore pain down cervical vertebrae, severe pain in lumbar and hypogastric region. Extending down legs, extremities, tired feeling in arms and legs, very sore muscles and joints, varicose veins, chilliness in back and hips, extending down legs, neuralgia of internal saphenous nerve. Skin, bluish chilblains, phlebitis, purpura, varicose veins and ulcers, very sore, burns, ecchymosis, traumatic inflammations. Modalities: worse, warm, moist air. Relationship: compare in hemorrhoids, calcarea floor, aloe, muriatic acid in varicose veins, magnifera indica. Compare arnica, calendula, trillium, bellis, sulfuric acid, pulsatilla. Antidote: arnica, complementary ferrum. Dose: tincture to 6th attenuation, distilled extract locally.